In my last video, I discussed, in fact, I entered in constitutional development under Britishers, that is, in modern constitutional development. And we very clearly said that the things which came in India along with the negative rule, that is imperialist and colonial rule of Britishers, in positive terms, the thing which came here was rule of law and separation of judiciary and a bit organized form of judiciary. It was up to end of 18th century and civil service started in India. Later on one hand, Britishers expanded their territory under their imperialist policy, colonial policy, but on the other hand, we see a wave of socio-religious renaissance in India. Undoubtedly, it was because of our contact with Europeans who, frankly speaking, became more modern to us, more progressive to us, and more democratic and civilized to us because of their renaissance in 15th century, which started in 15th century, because of industrial revolution there, and because of impact of French Revolution, American Revolution, and because of development of parliamentary system in Europe. We came in contact of them. We also started socio-religious reform movement. On political terms, we see some positive things, especially during William Bentinck, who made so many acts, who gave so many rules which were beneficial to common masses. I appreciate his contribution mainly because he ended sati system, and secondly, in practical form he gave freedom to press, and in principle in 1936 after him Indian press become free, almost free, less control of government. Another thing which came during British rule, where after 1850 and up to 1870, especially in the field of judiciary, IPC, CRPC and CPC codified laws came in force. In 1861, 3 high courts established, and later on some representatives of India, some persons of India become part and parcel of British rule, and in civil service Indians were allowed to appear. हम अपने पिछले वीडियो में वर्तमान या आधुनिक संवैधानिक विकास की बात शुरू कर दिए थे, जो कि अंग्रेजों के शासनकाल में शुरू हुआ, और उनके औपनिवेशिक और साम्राज्यवादी शासन में भी हम कानून के शासन से परिचित हुए, हम न्यायपालिका के संगठित रूप देखे और सिविल सेवा की शुरुआत देखे। 19वीं शताब्दी में उनके संपर्क में आने से एक तरफ तो हम पूरी तरह से जकड़न में जा रहे थे साम्राज्यवादी शासन के, औपनिवेशिक शासन के, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ उनके ही संपर्क से हमने धार्मिक सामाजिक सुधार आंदोलन शुरू किया। उनके संपर्क में और उनके प्रगतिशील विचारों के कारण खास करके विलियम बेंटिंक ने सती प्रथा का अंत किया, प्रेस को व्यवहारिक रूप से स्वतंत्रता दी और 1850 के बाद तो न्यायपालिका के क्षेत्र में आमूलचूल परिवर्तन हुआ। अब सीपीसी सिविल प्रोसीजर कोड, सीआरपीसी क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड and IPC came as codified law and 3 high courts established. One another thing which we witnessed during their rule was enforcement of Western education system. Later on, before the end of 19th century, the representation of Indians on very nominal and minor level in executive and legislature started, as well as और साथ साथ भारतीयों को भी सिविल सेवा में बैठने की अनुमति मिली। In my next video, I will discuss how legislature, executive developed in constitution and in constitutional form under their different charter acts from 1858 to onward.